Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2026 Grand Design Reflection 324 MBS. And a unique setup on this. So we have the pass-through storage here, unobstructed pass-through storage. And then right next to it, there we go. I was wondering if I could do it with one hand. So we have a 2-burner cooktop, we have a shelf, we also have a dormitory style and size refrigerator. So we do have an outdoor kitchen, and as the sign says, round of applause, so you can hook your dog up or your pet. Tandem axle, good looking wheel and tire setup, red brake calipers. And I want to show you the off camp side, and then we'll get inside. Nice ladder to the ceiling, or to the roof rather. Then we have the off camp side. We have the docking station up there, and you've seen one docking station. You've seen them all for the most part. I do want to get inside. There's the 324 MBS badging. What I really like, and you can see right off the bat, well, first off, you can see the power controls here, and you can see this bunk area. So you can use this if you have kids, grandkids, your neighbor's kids, if you have kids. And then you also have a desk for if you are traveling and doing work, as well as flat screen TV. And then you also have a mirror and then a light. And especially when it's warm or cool, you can let the hot air out with that high window. And then check this out, center island. We have a pantry off to the left side. Normally you see it on the right side, but I do like this setup. We have a 3-person couch. You can drop that tabletop down, additional sleeping. We have a fireplace, flat screen TV, plenty of storage, as you can see all around us. We have a great looking oven, 3-burner cooktop, microwave oven, center island, and then you have the dividers for your utensils. You have a garbage pail and drying rack, nice farmer style sink. I do like the barn door feature here on that area. So if you are a couple and you don't have your kids or grandkids, you can close that off, use it for storage, which from what I understand, a lot of people do. As we go down the hall, we see the bathroom, nice size shower. So we have a medicine cabinet here, very wide, not real deep, but very wide. And then you have a wide and deep medicine cabinet, towel bar, commode, nice shower. You have your wand for easy and nice thorough cleanup as we back out. So this is a Grand Design bedroom that you see quite often. So you have your cabinets on both sides, cabinets across the top, HVAC, and then you have 2 drawers. You have a cubby on the bottom, and I'm gonna try to open these without revealing who I am. And then you have this additional hang-up clothes here. So really a nice setup. And again, this is a 2026, I don't know if I mentioned, this is a Bill Thomas camper. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. And Bill Thomas is located in Wentzville, Missouri. Thanks again for watching. Any comments, questions, leave them below, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again. We appreciate the support.